Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my first video on a makeup, and this is like a quick makeup tutorial that I'm going to show you. So I have a meeting at 3:30 and it's already 3 o'clock that I'm shooting today, and this would be using my most favorite, which I have been keeping on putting up on my Instagram stories and all, only using 2 to 3 products, and let me see what kind of look I can get in minutes. Okay, so my hair is a bit wet right now, so I'll just leave it because I wanted a natural curl and a wave like look for the today's meeting. So I think I'll leave it like this and we'll just quickly comb it at the end. This is the t-shirt that I'm going to wearing it, and I'm going to just layer it with a third layer like a jacket or something for my Zoom meeting. And that's it, I'm here to go. So let's make a quick thing. So since I have just come out of shower, my skin is clean, it is washed and it is completely moisturized. So I'll start quickly with one thing, which is this. Okay, if you can see this, this is an age rewind concealer, under eye concealer. It is also called the Eraser Dark Circle from Maybelline. It's very quick, it's very effective, and I'll show you how it is written. Right, so take a bit, just dab, 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 dab. And using your this finger, the ring finger, just keep on dabbing it inside. Okay, just keep on dabbing it on the areas where you think it is. Can you see? Right, and the next thing, just dab it in. You can do it on top of your eyes also, in here, and a little bit here in the corner, that it all covers the blemishes. So quick fix, you can just check it in the mirror. Just dab, 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 and just slowly with using your ring finger, because your ring finger is the softest. Okay, so your ring finger applies a very light pressure. So using a light pressure, just dab it so that everything gets covered and looks much more neutral. Now since I have already moisturized my skin, I'm not going to use any kind of a foundation or something because it's just a video call for around half an hour. So I don't need to use so much of base, and people who are not into so much of base application or into whatever application it is, like if you're using any kind of thing, then don't use it. I'm completely only on moisturizer, a bit of under eye cream so that it gels in. The next thing that I would like you to use, which I generally use for creating my eyeshadow and my pinky chips, pinky rouge cheeks, sorry, not chips, sorry. So pinky rouge chips is this. Okay, this is Miss Claire's, actually this is a lip and cheek shade. So we have 9 shades which you can use on the lips and on the cheeks, but I use it mostly to create a light eyeshadow. Okay, so you can use it to create eyeshadow also and the cheeks also. Let me show you how. So you can choose any of the colors. So what I'm going to choose today is this. This is kind of an orangish tinge, so I'll use this. So just again, use your ring finger. Ring fingers are used in all the things. Okay, so just dab, 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 and you just dab it. Okay, just dab it. Don't do anything else. Just blend it. The key is in blending. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just on your highlights. So this is your cheekbones. Okay, when you touch, the highest point on your cheeks is the cheekbone, and you have to just highlight that, because what comes is seen is your cheeks. So just blend, 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 blend. If you think this has got lighter, keep on blending. If you want, you can use this brush, which is called the Rouge brush also, so you can just use it to blend it. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, so yeah, you see it's completely blended. You get that tinge of pink, and it's not that high, so it will not only help you focus on your face rather than focusing anywhere else. Okay, So this is our second thing. So first we use our under eye cream to conceal our all blemishes on the face. Second, we are using this cheeks. Okay, using color. Now the same color, just take it and put it on your eyes, on the corners, right? So where your socket is, just put it there and you just blend it in the entire eye. Blend, 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 blend. And I would like to use this blender brush. This is an eyeshadow blender brush. You can use this fluffy brush, okay? Just take a little bit of this and just blend it. Blend it in your eyes. Do you see that? You get that tinge, right? Over here it's not there, so let us do, and then take it. Take it and just blend it, guys. It's simple. Blend, 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 blend. See? You get a beautiful blend of eyeshadow, which is neither dark, neither light. And it's very good when you are actually going for a video call. So if you want to make it darker, you can just take a bit more and you can just keep on blending it. There I'm done. My eyes are done, my cheeks are done. And now I'm left with I'll define my eyes more, okay? I don't want to define my lips more, I will define my eyes more, because what is seen on a Zoom call or in this frame is only this, right? So I want to be focused on my eyes. So I'll take a thin brush and I'll take the Rock Nude Maybelline palette. It's a nude palette from Maybelline, you can check this. And I love this palette because it gives me a high definition. So take the white from there and just put it on the lines here. Just under your eyebrows, starting from the middle. Don't go till here. That's foolish. Okay, so just from there, put it on your eyes. And here, you have a defined eyes. Do the same way, the other side. Okay, so just. So it's defined, right? Now take some color which is shimmerier. So I have used the white one first. Now I'm using this one. This is a bit shimmerier. So it will give my eyes that definition. See, can you see it? You can use it on top also. So it has already defined my eyes and the eyebrows. Okay. Yeah, good to go. So my eyebrows are already defined, so I can get a shine over here. And then using an eyebrow brush, this is an eyebrow brush which is it is a bit tight and a flat on top. You can use it as an eyebrow brush. Take the brown shade of it and just apply it, fill your eyebrows. Okay. The key over here is to just fill your gaps in the eyebrow. Don't go up, don't go down, don't go too much in definition. Wherever the gaps are, just fill it. Start from the middle, go out, start from the and then outside. Don't start from outside. Take it, start filling in and give it a shape. Start filling in and give it a shape. That's it. Okay, here I am. My brows are defined, my eyes are defined. What is left? The most important thing into this is you can use a kajal. Sorry for that. So you can use a kajal to define your eyes. If you don't want to do an underline kajal, you can always do a liner. But I avoid a liner. I prefer doing a kajal to my eyes. I'll show you the liner also later. So you have to just put it in the inner waterline. Don't go beyond that. Okay. So just do the inner waterline to define your eyes. Okay guys, just give me a minute. See, you can just do a bit outside so that the outside lashes gets filled up. Okay, so here I am, my eyes are defined. And if you want to do on top of a liner, then go for a very light one. Okay. Okay, so you can use this kind of a brush liner. Okay, it's a brush liner that I'm using. This was gifted by my bhabi, so it's from Dubai. So you want to do the brush liner, and you just define your eyes. Start from the middle, go out, and then in, like this. Start from the middle, go out, and then go in, and here you are. You have a complete defined eyes. So your entire focus stays here rather than going anywhere. And don't leave your eyes without a mascara. So this is again by Maybelline. So I am completely a Maybelline fan. So I have everything of Maybelline, and it's very affordable. It's very good for your skin. They have a wide range of Fit Me Maybelline stocks. Please go check out. It will be really, really good. So mascara, apply loads of it, because you want your eyes to be completely defined. ऐसे नहीं करो. Okay, so here I am, my cheeks are ready, my face is ready, my everything is ready, and last but not least, my lips, my lips, my lips, my lips. Okay, so I am having I have to cover that. So again, my Maybelline Baby Lips. I love this product. Okay, so just go. You can keep your lips with just a lip balm, but since I have this, after applying the lip balm, I'll be using a very nude lipstick. Okay, so this is my nude lipstick. This is again from Maybelline. It's very nice, very, but my nude is not your nude. So you have to check before getting any nude lipstick for your lips, okay? So just cover it. If you want, you can use a lip liner also to lip your line before using the lipstick. But I generally avoid it. But to give your lips a definition, you can of course use a lipstick, lip liner. We can do another tutorial for a lip liner later maybe. So yes guys, here I am completely ready. My look is finished. And if you want a more defined cheeks, you can always go for a blusher or a bronzer. And just give your cheeks a definition. Here they are. And just apply here and there, so that you know it gives the skin a complete definition. Ta-da! I'm ready to rock and roll. I'll show you my entire look in just 2 minutes.